अऊज़ुबिल्लाहिमिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलामु अलैकुम प्यारे बच्चों। आज का जो 11th का हमारा क्लास है दैट इज़ फ्लूइड कनेक्टिव टिश्यू और वैस्कुलर कनेक्टिव टिश्यू. This is the third connective tissue, the last connective tissue. As we already know, fluid connective tissue is a mobile connective tissue. It consists of fiber-free matrix and fluid matrix, fluid matrix, and specialized living cells that neither divide nor secrete the matrix. It circulates in the body and transports different types of materials like that food, gases, oxygen towards the tissues, and carbon dioxide out from the tissues, and different types of waste materials from digestive system towards the kidneys to be excreted outside. It also contains different types of proteins. It posts antibodies, it acts as a defense mechanism, it forms the immune system. It is also called vascular connective tissue or fluid connective tissue. Fluid connective tissues of two types, blood and lymph. It is blood and lymph. Blood flows in the body inside the vessels or through the blood vessels. These are called the three types of blood vessels: arteries, veins, and capillaries. They join the arteries and veins. In the same way, lymph also flows through the vessels, but lymph contains only plasma and lymphocytes. Now let's see the types of the vascular connective tissue. Vascular connective tissue is further divided into blood and lymph. It's divided into blood and lymph. Let's first take blood. Blood, it is made up of plasma and formal elements. Plasma constitutes 55%, while formal elements constitute 45%. The plasma, that's made of water. It consisted of water, waste substances, gases such as carbon dioxide, and it also contains antibodies, different types of proteins, antibodies, etc. And food also is present in the plasma. It's composed of food, etc. While formal elements that for 45% is further divided into RBCs, WBCs, and platelets. They are of three types. And RBCs are the cells which are responsible for carrying oxygen. They contain hemoglobin inside them. They do not possess nucleus. They are denucleated, and they contain hemoglobin and are responsible for carrying the oxygen by oxyhemoglobin towards the tissues. While WBCs, they are further of two types: granulocytes and agranulocytes. Granulocytes, they contain granules inside the cytoplasm of these cells, and granulocytes are of three types: and neutrophils that form 60 to 70%, and eosinophils that form 4%, and basophils. While the agranulocytes, they are of two types: monocytes, which are the largest WBCs, and lymphocytes. All these, that neutrophils, eosinophils, basophils, monocytes, and lymphocytes, that's WBCs, whether granulocytes or agranulocytes, they are responsible for the defense mechanism system of our body. That's called immunity. And the third one, that's called blood platelets. And platelets are responsible for the carrying out the function of blood coagulation. Whenever there occurs injury inside the blood or outside the blood, that is interior or exterior, the blood platelets, they find the help in coagulating the blood, stopping the flow of the blood. Then there is lymph. Lymph is divided into, it's constituted of plasma and lymphocytes. Plasma and lymphocytes. Lymph, and difference between the blood and the lymph is that lymph does not contain, it contains WBCs minus RBCs. Only lymphocytes or WBCs are present, but RBCs are not present.